Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Do you know how to say your age in Arabic? Don't worry if you don't, because by the end of this video, you will know how to say your age in Arabic. Today, we're going to learn Arabic numbers from 1 to 99. Let's begin. Here's what students will achieve in this lesson. By the end of the lesson, students are able to pronounce Arabic numbers from 1 to 99 correctly. Then, students will be able to identify and explain the patterns of Arabic numbers. And lastly, students are capable to form numbers from 21 to 99 using the correct structure. Now, let's take a look at these numbers. There's a phone number, a price, and an age. We use numbers every single day. Now, here's your question. How would you say these in Arabic? Don't worry if you're not sure yet, because by the end of this lesson, you will confidently say these numbers in Arabic. Let's start with the basics. Number 1 to 10. Listen first and then repeat after me. واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. Good job. Students, please pay attention to the sounds like ain, for example, sab'a. And the th sound, for example, thamaniya. They may feel new at first, but with practice, you will get used to them. Now, it gets interesting. Numbers 11 to 19 follow a special pattern. You will hear the word ashar at the end. Listen carefully. أحد عشر اثنا عشر ثلاثة عشر أربعة عشر خمسة عشر ستة عشر سبعة عشر ثمانية عشر and تسعة عشر. Excellent! You are getting the rhythm now. Now, notice that ashar represents 10. So these numbers are formed by combining the unit number with 10. This is the key pattern for numbers from 11 to 19. Let's move to the tens. Listen carefully. How do we say these numbers? عشرون ثلاثون أربعون خمسون ستون سبعون ثمانون تسعون. Do you notice something? They all end with un. That is your key pattern. In Arabic, the un ending is commonly used for the tens. So, once you recognize this ending, it becomes much easier to identify numbers like 20, 30, 40, and so on. This means you don't need to memorize each number separately. You just need to recognize the pattern. Okay, students? Let me show you a simple way to form bigger numbers. It's actually very easy once you understand the pattern. We use this structure, ones plus wa plus tens. The word wa means and. Let's look at this example. We start with the ones number, which is arba'ah. Then we add wa, and finally we add the tens number, which is salasun. When we put them together, we get arba'ah wa salasun. This means 4 and 30, or simply 34. Notice that in Arabic, the order is slightly different from English. We say the smaller number first, then the bigger number. Once you understand this pattern, you can form many numbers easily. Let's try to put more together. Here are some examples. Number 1, sittah wa thamanun. Number 2, ثمانية وستون. And number 3, اثنان وأربعون. Now, let's break it down. In Arabic, we begin with the ones number, followed by wa and then the tens. For example, ستة وثمانون. It is 6 and 80, which means 86. This same pattern applies to all the numbers. Now, try saying them again on your own. So, students, let's break down the logic of Arabic numbers. It's actually very systematic once you see the pattern. Numbers 1 to 10 are your foundation. We consider these numbers 1 to 10 as your building blocks. You must memorize these numbers as they form the roots of every higher number. For 11 to 19, we follow a special pattern. They combine a unit like 3 or thalatha with a 10 or ashar to become thalatha ashar. And when you get to the multiples of 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on, they end in the sound un. And for compound numbers, for example, 34, we use ones plus wa plus tens. Very simple, right? Congratulations for your great job today. You have just learned Arabic numbers from 1 to 99. Keep practicing, especially by using numbers in your daily life. See you in the next lesson, and thank you for lending me your ears. Shukran.